Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to withdraw PAWS tokens to exchanges. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open Safari or any web browser, then type PAWS in the search bar. Click on the official link. Next, you need to connect your Phantom wallet or Keeper wallet. After connecting, it will calculate your allocation. Tap Next, then claim PAWS token. Now choose an exchange, either Bitget or Bybit. I'll choose Bitget for this tutorial. It will now ask for your UID, so let's go to Bitget, copy our UID, and paste it here. Next, we need a wallet address. To get this, go to Bitget, tap Deposit Crypto, and search for PAWS. Copy the deposit address and paste it into the app. That's it. Now click Continue, then Done. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.